I believe okay. So today we're going to be learning, as I told you, about a way to use ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. Okay. But before that, let me ask you, how many of you are using ChatGPT almost on a daily basis, and how many times? Like how many times in a day do you use it? Please let me know in the chat section. In a day, is it 0 times? Average, I'm saying on an average, once a day, twice a day, thrice a day, 4 times a day, 5 times a day. Some of you are saying maybe all day. Okay, like me, you know, I have multiple tabs open of chat gpt for different context. So yeah, like that, right? Now let me ask you a very simple question, another secondary question to that. How many times do you use WhatsApp? How many times do you open WhatsApp in a given day? How much is that? How many times? Let me know. How many times? Just give a number, like maybe 20, 30, 50, approximate. I know you might have not counted. No one counts that, but approximately, right? More than 10, right? At least 20, 30 times. I'm saying, I'm assuming at least 20, 30 times. Okay, everybody. Now, Meta AI, Facebook's own AI chatbot, is available already on WhatsApp, right? And we have already covered that in one of our previous session on how to do that, how to use that. But ChatGPT is like the best one, right? And earlier it was not possible to use ChatGPT instead of WhatsApp. We had one of our product, but because we saw that Meta AI is coming and ChatGPT is also going to launch, so we have stopped on that product. But now today you'll be learning about that. So let's get started. I'm going to start sharing my screen, and as I had shared with you earlier, OpenAI has started this series called 12 Days, 12 New Initiatives. I believe. Okay. And I'm going to share with you the latest announcement which they have made today. And here it is. Take a look at this. Let me start sharing my screen. And here it is. So 12 days of OpenAI, just like 18-20 hours ago, they released this feature called 1800 chat GPT. Like in India, we have toll-free numbers, right? Business toll-free numbers where you can call and speak with the customer care executives and all of that. So in US also, it's something like that. But in US, there is a system where you can give a text as well inside that number. Like, it's like you can call that business, right? And I'm going to show you a glimpse of that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use that. But before that, let's watch a sample video which they have released about the features. So there are two features which they have launched. One is you can use it in WhatsApp, and second is you can make a call to ChatGPT. Yes, you can make a call to ChatGPT, but there is a catch. It's available in US for now. Okay, the calling feature is available only in US right now, but chat feature with the ChatGPT inside WhatsApp is available all across the world, even to you, even if you're on the free account or paid account, it doesn't matter, right? So let's watch this quick video. I'm going to show you some samples.
Chat, I'm on a
Okay.
and I have the number 1-800.
You see now this is a demo of speaking with ChatGPT. Let's watch that for a few moments, and then I'll show you exact next demo.
242-8478, and I'm going to click into that.
Hello again. It's ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Our conversation may be reviewed for safety. How can I help you?
Hey chat, I'm on a road trip with Kevin and Antonia, and we're on the 280 highway between San Jose and San Francisco, and there's this really colorful house with domes that we're curious if you can help us figure out what it is.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Those sound like the famous Flintstone house in Hillsboro near San Francisco. It's known for its unique, colorful, dome-shaped architecture, and sometimes called the Flintstone house because it looks like it's straight out of the structure meets low.
We'll take that in consideration, and maybe we'll be loading a Flintstone.
Is that like a foldable
ChatGPT with this? 1, 8.
8478?
And I want to ask it for an AI. Say, hello, it's such a pleasure to finally meet you. In Spanish?
Sure, you can say, hola, es un...
Okay. So we'll stop here for this. Okay. So if you are in US, do try it out. It's already rolled out in US, and you can speak with ChatGPT for a limit of 15 minutes. So you can try it out. Now let's see how to use ChatGPT inside your WhatsApp. So take out your phones. Everybody, if you're on the laptop, please take out your phones. I'm going to show you a QR code. Okay. I'm going to show you a QR code using which you will be able to access ChatGPT immediately on your WhatsApp. Okay. Here it is. Let's take a look at this. And I'm going to be sharing the URL as well with all of you. So this is a support page which they have presented, OpenAI, wherein they have mentioned the details about these features, like what's the calling feature, what's the messaging feature, and there is a QR code, okay, right now. And I'm going to show you for demo first, and then maybe you can follow along. So I'm going to start showing you demo on my own smartphone, okay? I'm going to show you a demo on my own smartphone. Just allow me a moment. So I'll start sharing my own smartphone so that it's exactly clear for you to understand how do you use that, okay? Okay, so I hope my smartphone is visible now, and I'm going to share with you how do you use that, okay? So here it is, take a look at this. So right now, this is the QR code. I'm going to scan it with my device. And you see, as soon as I scan that QR code, I'm taken directly inside of WhatsApp. Okay, I'm taken directly inside of WhatsApp, which is official account of ChatGPT on WhatsApp. And this by default, this message is available like, hey, ChatGPT, how it's going? I'm going to simply hit enter. And you see ChatGPT has replied. Can you see that? So ChatGPT is replying. And now like this, you can start conversation about anything that you want, just like you open your WhatsApp so many times, right? So many times during the day. And what I would recommend is you pin ChatGPT on the top of your chats. Okay. So that, you will have it ready whenever you want. Just open WhatsApp and you'll be able to chat inside WhatsApp with ChatGPT and get answers to anything. It's that simple, right? And I have been using Meta AI for a very long time inside WhatsApp. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I've pinned it on the top of my chat so that I can use it anytime and every time, right? And now, second thing, what you can do is how can you make another best use of this is you can tell ChatGPT that I want to learn something new every day. Okay, so it's your task to give me some new logic or new concept. Tell me about a new concept in XYZ domain. Say for example, I want to learn about AI. Tell me about a new concept or a new possibility or a new use case in AI. So whenever I type new concept, you give me a new concept whenever I type that. So you can program at a very basic level to tell it that, okay, whenever I type new concept, you give me a new concept like that. Okay, so it's that simple. So I'm going to show you a QR code and you will be able to use it right away. Okay, so it's on my screen. Take a look at this. Scan with your smartphone, and let's have a minute or two for you to use ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. Scan this QR code which is shown on my laptop screen. And if you want the link of this article, I'm sharing it in the chat right now. Okay, so you can maybe take a screenshot and if you're on the mobile, whatever, right? Here is the QR code. Scan that and start interacting with ChatGPT right inside this session. So if you're joined from mobile, you can do is maybe scan take the screenshot of this QR code or download this image and you scan it with a QR code scanner. Like there is an option to upload an image right in the QR code scanner, so they will scan it. How do you pin it? Okay, I'm not sure about Android, but on iOS, what you can do is you can just swipe your message to the left and you'll see a pin option. Or just do a Google search, how to pin a message on my WhatsApp, and you'll get the instructions on how to do that. Okay. Done. Have you started interacting? You can keep chatting later. I just want to know if you have started using it. Right? Done. And by the way, this is available for both Android and iOS. No issues with with your operating system. Okay. It's asking for payment. No, it should not ask. It's completely free of cost. So open your QR code scanner on your device. So just on your device, open the QR code scanner. And I think even on any payment app, if you open and scan this, maybe it will take you to a URL. Okay, like ChatGPT. Try that. Or scan with Google. Okay. Your camera, open your camera and just hold it here. You'll be able to scan this. Okay. How is different from ChatGPT app? Okay, it's way too much different, Pankaj, because in ChatGPT you can upload files, you can have voice conversations, you can come, share those URLs with other people. Like there is so much that you can do inside the chat GPT itself, like the official website. Here you can just interact on the, with the messages, right? Don't scan with WhatsApp. Okay, don't scan with WhatsApp. Scan with any QR code scanner or your camera, right? Okay, did you try it? Were you able to do that? Were you able to start chatting? Please type yes in the chat section if you're able to chat with WhatsApp, chat with ChatGPT inside WhatsApp, right? Make sure you pin that message, okay, so that it's always on the top of your message thread. Interesting, right? Voice conversation as of now, not there on WhatsApp. Maybe later on they will do that, right? You can use Google Lens as well. That's also fine, right? Okay. Now, next, what I would like to you to do is ask it a question about learning about a topic about anything. Okay. Just let's do that. Let's do that. Let's have that conversation. Maybe for any one use case that comes to your mind, do the chatting with ChatGPT right now, because I really want you to do hands-on right now in this session. So link I'm going to be sharing. Anyways, the QR code is on the screen. So you can just scan it with any camera app, your smartphone camera app or any other QR code scanner. Okay. Yes, I believe. So once you start chatting inside your mobile device, and if you're logging into your WhatsApp on the web browser, the chat should be there. Okay. So it syncs there also. So you can just use it on the web browser as well. Or if nothing works, just add the number. Okay. Save this number in your contact list and send a message to this number if QR code doesn't work for you for some reason. So this is the official number. So just like you save your contact, right, of your friend or anybody, so you can save this number and then start chatting with that. This number, okay? Done? No, don't use WhatsApp scanner. Use your phone camera for scanning this. Done? What use case did you try? What use case did you try? Let me know in the chat, please. What use case did you try? Yeah, obviously, it will not automatically send you the new concept, new learning every day. Sheetal, just whenever you open ChatGPT, just ask it to share with you a new concept. Like you can program it, okay? Whenever I come back to you and ask you for new concept, the keyword new concept, you have to tell me a new concept. That's it. And then just type new concept and it will give you a new concept, right? Like that, okay? It's given me an awesome poem for Christmas. Awesome. Functions in Python language. Interesting. Power BI integrations. AI business that will give me some income, right? Okay, come for the bootcamp, right? For that. And also, we are having a special bootcamp for that, right? So next is furnishing outline for this. Then what else? I want to learn parenting of 2.5-year-old kid. Interesting, right? Fitness, you asked about fitness. So Mohammed Afzal has asked what's the difference between Android ChatGPT and WhatsApp ChatGPT. So on WhatsApp, it's just a message interface, okay? But on inside what ChatGPT app, you get so many other features, right? You can upload files, you can download files after it has generated some CSV files, and so many additional features, right? Trying to use both Llama and ChatGPT as this thing. Interesting. So with that, you can try it. I'll share this URL once again. My team will share. Anyways, I've already shared it in the chat. I'll share it once again. You can take a look at this and scan this and start using ChatGPT inside WhatsApp. In fact, let me tell you, this is such an amazing news. I believe now you will use ChatGPT even more and more, right? Because certainly there is some resistance to open ChatGPT and then use it. But now, right now, inside WhatsApp, you'll be using it more. In fact, I would encourage that you use it a lot of the times, okay, inside WhatsApp. So with that, we have come to the end of this session. But let me tell you, and by the way, the Diamond members, we have a session immediately after this in which we are going to be learning about Facebook ads, okay? I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set up Facebook ads for the WhatsApp newsletters. By the way, let me tell you, for other members, WhatsApp newsletters, if you attended our previous workshop, you know what are WhatsApp newsletters. So it's a concept, it's a side income business that you can set up. Everybody can set up literally, okay? And It's an additional source of income. You can just work smartly, build newsletters and send it. Okay, get customers through Facebook ads and send it. And there is a potential to make even 1 lakh rupees per month additionally by just creating WhatsApp newsletters. Okay, so we had covered it in last bootcamp. We'll be covering some aspects of that in this bootcamp as well. But we cover it in more depth in diamond membership. So last time during last week's session, I actually did show our members, diamond members, on how to set up that system for WhatsApp newsletters, like exactly how to set up that. And today we're going to be covering about Facebook ads. How do you do that? Okay. With that, that's it for today's session, quick AI learning session. And diamond members, immediately after this, let's join our next session, okay, which will start at 8:30. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today's session. See you tomorrow for another exciting session at 8 p.m. We'll have a Q&A tomorrow. So if you have any questions about any topic, any tool, make sure to join tomorrow's session. Even if you don't have, make sure to join tomorrow's session, because you will be learning from other members, okay, when they have questions, right? Thank you so much. Have a good night. Take care of yourself. Bye.